Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to share with you guys of how I do my cable management. And the method that I'm going to use is both simple and budget. And you can use the same method to make your cables like this to this. And also I'm going to list all the items that I'm going to use with link in the description below. So feel free to check that out. So the first item is this cable tray that I got from Amazon. It actually came with two. So if you have a longer desk or table, you can install both. But if you just want one, you can use one and save the other for other purpose. And of course, it comes with some screws and two reusable zip ties. Very nice. And the next item that I got is this outlet. How the output is adjustable. So you can go any directions that you need it. And also it's surge protected. So if the power goes back, it protects your electronics. And it's a flat head, so you will be parallel with your wall. And the next item is this like little tube that can grab a lot of cables in one place. I may use or may not, but this thing is really nice to have it. If you have so many cables and you can't hide them, this is very recommended. Let me show you the cables on my desk that I can't hide it. As you guys can see, I have this tube on my desk with all the cables that I can't actually hide. And if I just leave them on the desk, it's gonna be a lot. So all these cables are in this tube. So this thing is really useful if you can't actually hide the cables. And next I have some clips along with 3M stick pad. So you can open it and put your cable in there and lock it. And you can unlock it too. And then just stick on the surface that you need it to. And also I have another kind. It's also a sticker pad, but this is not click. It's like zip tie, but you have more space in there. So you can put more cables in there. And as well as some zip ties. And lastly, our screwdriver. And now guys, let's get all these cables managed. Turn off everything and unplug every single one. And guys, it will be easier to install this cable tray if you can flip over your desk or table. Before install the cable tray, make sure that your table top is not so thin. Otherwise, those nails is gonna penetrate your tabletop. But luckily we have some of this guy, so we can put them in between the gap and the nail. So we put him in there, one or two, and now it should be good. So now we have the cable tray installed. I didn't screw too many screws because I didn't feel it's necessary, because I'm not gonna put an elephant on here. So I think 3 screws is well enough. And go to the next. And now guys, I'm just gonna need to connect this new outlet. Okay guys, so we got that connected from the floor and a little angle behind the table legs and all the way go through the cable tray. And thanks for the zip tie that come with the cable tray. And now I just need to connect my 2 lights, one on the right and one on the left. So I still need the remote to turn on the lights. So I can't just hide all the cables. And I used one zip tie to hold my remote over here. And then I reroute the wire. And then I use another sticker pad with the cable lock. And then I stick it on the back of my table stand. And then I got another cable lock right here, and I used the recycled wire to tie the extra wire and got it connected. And now let me work on this side as well. And I use the same method, just one zip tie, and the table go up and to the behind of my table stand. 2 lockers, one here and the other one behind it, and route the cables all the way to the cable tray. And now let's reconnect our other cables. And guys, I just got my RGB lightning strip connected. And as you guys can see, everything is in the cable tray instead of one cable laying on the floor still. And my cable for the laptop. But all this is gonna be super easy You just need to zip them and with some wire and zip ties. And once I got everything organized, and then I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so I got everything connected. My Pixel Pad, my laptop, and the wire goes behind and all the way to the cable tray. And as you guys can see, this one table tray does a lot of things. I have all the cables, power brick, adapters all in there. And my wire to the lights and another wire to another lights. And nothing on the floor, nothing on the wall. So I'll say this is pretty good. What do you say, guys? Thank you for watching, and I hope I help you with your cable management. And if I do, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out. And as you guys can see, what's wrong?
The frustrated. Are you okay? Want some drink?